Hello and welcome to Advanced Excel Techniques with Advanced Formulas and Functions, Power Query, Pivot Tables, and Excel VBA. Let's see what we will learn in the course. We will start with basics of prepaid expenses. I will explain you what are the prepaid expenses in general. Example of prepaid expenses are mobile phone or internet prepaid, insurance of house or property which is prepaid, health insurance or vehicle insurances which are always prepaid. I will explain you accounting for prepaid expenses in detail with practical examples. I will also explain you major advantages and disadvantages of prepaid expenses. But if you are already familiar with this topic, that is prepaid expenses, please skip this section and jump to next one. Because this course is not only about prepaid expenses, it is about advanced Excel techniques, Power Query, pivot table, and data modeling. Then we will move to basics of formulas and functions like date functions, if functions, ifs function which is new to Office 365, VLOOKUP function, match function, indirect function, name ranges, and array formulas. These functions are quite powerful and quite useful in creating dynamic models in Excel. I will give you a detailed demonstration of each of these functions with relevant examples before we use them in model building exercise. We will be doing a step-by-step exercise of preparing these three Excel models for prepaid expenses amortization. Formula-based Excel model where only formulas are used in creating model and summarize the data in fully dynamic manner. In the second version of model, we will be using Power Query and pivot tables to create a dynamic summary of all prepaid expenses sheets, a powerful way of data transformation. And the third model would be Excel VBA model, which would be dynamic and expandable in user-friendly way. At last, we'll go through some exciting exercises like creating dashboard. We will go through dashboard creation exercise where we will be creating two kind of dynamic dashboards. One with using Excel formulas and function that we have learned in the course. The second dashboard with the help of advanced tools like Power Query aka Get and Transform and pivot tables. In this Power Query based dashboard exercise, I will show you how easy and efficient it is to transform, append similarly structured data with just few clicks. It's more of a data revolution. At the end of the course, you'll be able to understand and apply advanced formulas and functions which you have learned in this course. The Excel modeling techniques you have learned and apply the same to other models like amortization or even loan or mortgage amortization models. Manage your amortization schedules with Excel for any business. Accurate forecasting of amortization expenditure, that is prepaid expenses and other similar business expenditure. Apply Power Query and pivot table techniques to automate reports that will change your life forever, if I must admit. Create a powerful visualization with fully dynamic dashboard using formulas, Power Query and pivot tables. Who are the ideal students for this course? Any Excel or data transformation enthusiast who wants to learn and apply advanced techniques shown in the course. Accountants who wants to efficiently manage their prepaid expenses, other amortization schedules and balance sheet reconciliations. Non-accounting professional entrepreneurs who wants to estimate impact of prepaid expenses on their investment and profit and loss over a fixed term. Analysts and auditors who wants to audit efficiently of prepaid expenses on their amortization schedule. I am Prashant Panchal. I have many years of experience in finance and accounting, auditing, business operation. I am a chartered accountant by qualification. I love Excel and its traditional tools like formulas and functions, advanced charting and visualization, which I have been using since many years at my work. However, I am excited with Microsoft's and Excel's new range of power tools like Power Query, which is the best data cleaning and transformation tool for Excel users. Data modeling with Power Pivot are awesome for creating advanced data models with large data sets that traditional Excel sheet cannot handle. I have been using Excel VBA to automate tasks, formulas, and add interactivity to Excel applications. At the course completion, you will get a course completion certificate which you can share on your LinkedIn profile. And if you're not happy with the course, don't worry, it comes with a 30 days money back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? Try free preview videos and I will see you inside the course. Thank you very much.